And the race is on. Senor Bon from the outside. Okie Hawk, joint account. Dugus Pride, Kire Cada Milagros, and Stormy Norman is running at the tail of the field. Okie Hawk. Ayalenkenha followed by joint account alongside is Senor Bon. Dugus Pride in the middle. All and on the outside, fifth Stormy Norman. Kiri Cada Milagros is running at the tail of the field by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Okie Hawk by Alenkenhab, joint account. Senor Bon alongside Dugus Pride, Stormy Norman. Kiri Cada Milagros getting closer in fifth as they round the last 500. Okie Hawk followed by Senor Bon, joint account. Dugus Pride is Stormy Norman. Kiri Cada Milagros is running down on the inside. Okie Hawk, joint account. Kiri Cada Milagros moving up by the rail. Opted to run on the outside. Okie Hawk, Kiri Cada Milagros is on the outside. Moves up to grab the lead. It's now Kiri Cada Milagros, the horse of German Danantan. Second, Okie Hawk, Dugus Pride, joint account. Number 5, Senor Bon and Stormy Norman.